नमस्कार, वेलकम टू माय चैनल सोल सूत्रा। आज हम चक्रा मेडिटेशन करेंगे। चक्रास आर द एनर्जी सेंटर्स इन द सटल बॉडी। These chakras, they govern various aspects of life, our physical health, emotional health, mental health, our finances, our relationship and spirituality. If these chakras are balanced and aligned, the energy flows freely and effortlessly. Meditation helps to re-energize, realign and balance these chakras. Today's meditation, we are going to focus on the 7 chakras one by one and be in affirmations. We will silently say these affirmations after focusing on each chakra. So sit in a comfortable position. You can sit cross-legged. Keep your hands gently and loosely on the knees. Eyes gently closed. Spine erect. Take a deep breath in, and while exhaling, relax yourself. Take one more deep breath. Exhale fully, and the relaxation will be total. Now bring your awareness to the first chakra, that is the root chakra, which is located at the base of the spine near the perineum. This chakra is red in color, Mooladhara chakra, associated with safety, security and basic needs. Be aware of this space and say to yourself, I am safe and secure. I am safe and secure. मैं सुरक्षित हूँ. मैं सुरक्षित हूँ. I am stable. I am stable. मैं fearless हूँ. I am fearless. मैं निर्भय हूँ. मैं निर्भय हूँ. मैं अपने जीवन में सेटल्ड हूँ. मैं अपने जीवन में सेटल्ड हूँ. I belong to this life. I belong to this life. Feel your root chakra glowing, vibrating, pulsating with the divine energy. Now take a deep breath in and bring your awareness to the second chakra, the Swadhisthana chakra or sacral chakra, which is orange in color, which is located behind the genitals or forefinger down your navel. Chakra which is associated with relations and pleasures. Focus on this chakra and say to yourself, मैं अपने रिश्तों से संतुष्ट हूँ. मैं अपने रिश्तों से संतुष्ट हूँ। आई एम हैप्पी इन माई relationships. I am happy in my relationships. मैं अपने इमोशंस को भली भांति जानती हूँ। मैं अपने इमोशंस को भली भांति जानती हूँ। मैं नेगेटिव इमोशंस को दूर करके पॉजिटिव इमोशंस में रहती हूँ। मैं नेगेटिव इमोशंस को दूर करके पॉजिटिव इमोशंस में रहती हूँ। आई ऑनर माई नीड्स फॉर प्लेजर। आई ऑनर माई नीड्स फॉर प्लेजर। आई एम अ क्रिएटिव पर्सन और अपना हर काम पूरे पैशन से करती हूँ। आई एम अ क्रिएटिव पर्सन और हर काम पूरे पैशन से करती हूँ। आई enjoy my present. I enjoy my present. Keep focusing on this chakra. Feel this chakra expanding, glowing, vibrating. Now, breathe in through your next chakra, that is the Manipur chakra, solar plexus, which is located just above your navel. The chakra, which is of golden yellow color and responsible for your personal power, confidence and direction in life. Breathe in through this space and be in affirmations. I am powerful. I am powerful. मैं शक्तिशाली हूँ. मैं शक्तिशाली हूँ. I am confident. I am confident. मुझे खुद पर पूरा भरोसा है. मुझे खुद पर पूरा भरोसा है. मुझ में भरपूर आत्मविश्वास है. मुझे खुद पर भरपूर आत्मविश्वास है. मुझे नई चीज़ें सीखना और ज्ञान प्राप्त करना अच्छा लगता है. मुझे नई चीज़ें सीखना और नया ज्ञान प्राप्त करना अच्छा लगता है. I feel great purpose in life. I feel great purpose in life. I am complete. I am complete. मैं संपूर्ण हूँ. मैं संपूर्ण हूँ. Feel your solar plexus or Manipur chakra glowing, illuminating, vibrating. With next inhalation, move on to your next chakra, that is the Anahat chakra, heart chakra, which is located at the center of the breastbone, heart center. The color green, and the chakra is associated with love, forgiveness, compassion. Breathe in through this space and say to yourself, I love myself. I love myself. मुझे खुद से बेहद प्यार है. मुझे खुद से बेहद प्यार है. I am a loving and caring person. I am a loving and caring person. मैं अपने आसपास के सब लोगों का ख्याल रखती हूँ. मैं अपने आसपास के सब लोगों का ख्याल रखती हूँ. मेरे आसपास के सब लोग मुझे बहुत प्यार देते हैं. मेरे आसपास के सब लोग मुझे बहुत प्यार देते हैं. I am loved by all. I am loved by all. मैं स्वयं को और लोगों को बहुत जल्दी माफ़ कर देती हूँ. मैं स्वयं को और लोगों को बहुत जल्दी माफ़ कर देती हूँ. I like to spread love and happiness all around. I like to spread love and happiness all around. I am full of love, compassion, and gratitude. I am full of love, compassion, and gratitude. Feel this chakra vibrating with positive energy. This chakra is expanding, glowing, pulsating. Now breathe in through your next chakra, the Vishuddhi chakra, the throat chakra, located at the pit of the throat, Kanthkup mein. Color is blue of the morning sky. Chakra responsible for your speech, communication, truth, expression, independence. Be aware of this chakra, visualize this chakra, and be in affirmation. I speak my truth with confidence. I speak my truth with confidence. मैं विचारों को भली भांति व्यक्त करती हूँ. मैं विचारों को भली भांति व्यक्त करती हूँ. I have a clear and strong speech. I have a clear and strong speech. मैं दूसरों की बातों को ध्यान से सुनती हूँ। मैं दूसरों की बातों को ध्यान से सुनती हूँ। I am a good listener. I am a good listener. I can express myself and communicate very well. I can express myself and communicate very well. Keep focusing on your throat chakra and feel the vibrations and energy in the throat chakra. With next breath, move on to third eye center, your sixth chakra, Agya chakra, in the center of the eyebrows. The color is indigo, and the chakra governs our intuition, intelligence, clarity of thoughts, decision making capacity. Breathe in through this space of third eye chakra and say to yourself, I trust my intuitions. I trust my intuitions. My intuition is very powerful and it keeps me away from wrong persons and bad experiences. My intuition is very powerful and it keeps me safe from wrong persons and bad experiences. Due to my powerful intuition, I always choose right person and right experiences. Due to my powerful intuition, I always choose right persons and right experiences. My vision for life is clear. My vision for my life is clear. I forgive and release my past. I forgive and release my past. और मैं अपने past experiences से सीख कर आगे बढ़ रही हूँ. I am moving ahead in my life. I am moving ahead in my life. मैं सही समय पर सही फैसले करती हूँ. मैं सही समय पर सही फैसले करती हूँ. Feel your third eye chakra glowing, illuminated, vibrating. It is full of positive energy. एक लंबा गहरा श्वास भरें और अपना फोकस लेके आए टॉप ऑफ द हेड पर, क्राउन चक्रा, योर सहस्त्रार चक्रा, द चक्रा which connects you with your higher self, and responsible for the divine wisdom. Breathe in through this chakra and be in affirmation. मैं दिव्य शक्ति का अंश हूँ. मैं दिव्य शक्ति का अंश हूँ. I connect with supreme power. I connect with supreme power. I am pure and blissful. I am pure and blissful. मैं परम शांति का अनुभव कर रहा हूँ. मैं परम शांति का अनुभव कर रही हूँ. Keep sitting still with your eyes closed. Be aware of all chakras. Feel the flow of energy. Feel that all the 7 chakras have been illuminated and they are glowing and vibrating. There is a unhindered free flow of divine energy. You can gently rub your palms और अपनी फिंगर टिप से आँखों को और चेहरे को स्पर्श करें. धीरे धीरे आँखें खोल दीजिए. शुक्रिया. नमस्कार.